Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up profiles and parental controls in the Netflix 5C app. So first, let's just launch the application. And as you guys can see, I already have three profiles in here, and I'm going to set up a new one for my kids, for example. Let's just tap on this app profile option and then set the name. Okay, now if you want to make it as a kids profile so that you can set up parental controls, you can just click on this or enable the kids profile. So only see this profile can only see kid friendly TV shows and movies. Enable this and then tap on save. Okay, now if you want to set up the parental controls, you can just go to this profile first. Then let's go to the account info. Okay, I think you need to be on the main profiles. You can go to the accounts in here and then scroll down until you find the edit settings options. Click on this. So you need to go to the profile and then choose the kids profile that you want to set up its parental control, and you can just scroll down, and in here there will be this viewing restrictions option. So this is where you can set parental controls. You can just click on this. So in the viewing restriction, you can edit the profile maturity rating and title restriction, but first you need to enter your Netflix password. Click on continue, and now you can see this is the rating. So apparently this it's only 10, so I'm going to make it 7 plus. So only show that is rated 7 plus and below for this profile. And here you can also add title section. So if you don't want your kid to watch a certain or specific titles, you can just enter the show and movie names in here. For example, I'm going to add okay, this one, for example, because it's too violence. Now you can just tap on save and it will be saved. So in here you can also go to this adjust parental controls, and again you need to enter your password. Okay, so this is for another profile apparently, but it's actually the same. So that's how you can edit parental controls and also set up profiles on Netflix. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.